including provinces such as Hunan, Jiangxi, and Guizhou. Hailstorms and torrential rainfall struck at the same time. In certain regions, rainfall surpassed 60 millimeters per hour. Falling trees took down power lines, resulting in widespread outages that lasted for hours. Emergency crews labored through the night in hazardous conditions to restore services. In rural regions, hail wiped out vast sections of vegetable farms and fruit orchards, leaving local farmers heartbroken. Meteorologists linked this extreme weather event to the powerful collision of cold and warm air currents, a common feature of the spring season. The warm, moist air created perfect conditions for thunderstorms, hail, and fierce winds to occur simultaneously.